Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change your Weebly website name. Whether you're rebranding your site or simply want to update the title to better reflect your content, this quick process will have you sorted in just a few moments. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in to your Weebly account by entering your credentials. This step is essential as it gives you access to all your website management tools and settings where you can make the necessary changes. After logging in, you'll land on your Weebly homepage. This is your central hub where you can view and manage all your websites. Now, direct your attention to the left side menu. Right above the overview section, you'll see your current website name displayed. This is the website you're currently viewing, and clicking on it will allow you to access specific settings for that particular site. If you happen to have multiple websites under your Weebly account, you'll need to select the specific website whose name you want to change. Simply browse through your list of sites and click on the one you wish to modify. This ensures you're making changes to the correct website and not accidentally altering another project. Once you've selected your website, look for the three dots icon. This icon typically represents additional options or settings related to your site. Click on these three dots and a drop-down menu will appear with various management options available for your website. From the drop-down menu, locate and click on Change Site Title. This option is specifically designed for updating your website's name. Clicking it will open a field where you can type in your new desired website name. Take a moment to think about what you want your site to be called, as this name will represent your website's identity. After you've entered your new website name, make sure everything looks correct. Then, click the Save button to confirm and apply your changes. This action updates your website title across your Weebly dashboard, ensuring that your new name is now officially in place. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Weebly website name, giving your site a fresh identity that better suits your needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.